So next topic natin is exponential decay. So exponential decay is almost, yung formula niya is A is equal to P times 1 minus R raised to T. Almost the same siya doon kay exponential growth, pero nagkaiba lang sila doon sa sign. Yung isa, pag exponential growth, it's 1 plus R. Kapag decay is 1 minus R. Kasi decay is nawawala or nauubos. So, the given problem natin dito is a rare isotopes of nuclear materials is very unstable. So, decaying at the rate of 15% each second. So, find how much isotope remains 5 seconds after 5 grams is created. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng yung P natin is equal to, yung principal natin ay 5. So, 5 to. Tapos, yung R natin dito ay 0.15. Tapos, ang time natin ay 5 seconds or 5 din. So, gamit tayo ng formula. A is equal to P times 1 minus R raised to T. So, yung A natin is equal to 5 times 1 minus 0.15. Tapos, yung T natin ay 5. So, 0.15 siya kasi 15%. So, move twice to the left. So, kaya magkakaroon ng 0.15. Then, yung A equals, karoon tayo ng, so, gumamit tayo ng calculator again. So, kapag inano natin siya sa calculator, so, magkakaroon tayo ng 5 times 1 minus 0.15. Then, raised to 5. Then, kakaroon tayo ng sagot na 2.22. So, this will be 2.22 rounded up. So, grams.